Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals.
And I'm Rosie Seals.
The 40th anniversary of the 1982 World's Fair in Knoxville is next year. A pop-up shop, popped up in Knoxville that is selling memorabilia from the World's Fair. We'll also show you a restaurant themed to the 1982 World's Fair, the location where the fair took place, and even a giant version of an 80s icon that was at the fair. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. The official name of the 1982 World's Fair was the Knoxville International Energy Exposition. 11 million people visited the fair, which lasted from May to October. A real mummy was present at the fair, and it was actually unwrapped. Touchscreens, cherry coke, and paying for gas at the pump debuted at this fair. Video arcade game tokens, appropriate for the 80s, were made for the fair. These birds have found some pizza and they're attacking it. Forget pizza rat, we've got pizza bird. Rosie's found her best buddy, it's Dolly Parton, who we have seen in real life at media events. Very sweet woman. Rosie wanted me to get this on video. It's just like pretty much paper stuck to the wall. It says, "Life withers when there are things we cannot share." I like to share things with Rosie. So here's where the World's Fair merchandise is going to be. So let's head inside. Participating countries in the 1982 World's Fair were Australia, Belgium, Canada, China, Denmark, Egypt, France, Greece, Hungary, Italy, Japan, Luxembourg, Mexico, the Netherlands, Panama, Peru, the Philippines, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, United Kingdom, United States, and West Germany. We've got here all of the 1982 World's Fair merchandise, and there's what it looked back like. That's what it looked like in 1982. Party tumblers. That's crazy. Got like a glass, and this is from my private collection, but you can buy this stuff. The stuff that hasn't been available since 1982. It's really cool. I like that one. Parents went to the Knoxville World's Fair and all I got was this crummy button. There's the Sunsphere bike tag. There's the pavilion for the United States Pavilion. A plate. There is a, I guess a decal. Plates. Wendy's glasses. That's cool. Really cool. So I guess Wendy's was a sponsor. This looks like a bell. Yep. And a souvenir record. Oh, wow. That's cool. Yep. An actual record inside. Here's some t-shirts. And wallets. That's cool. Nice, like a kid's wallet. And here's what it says. The World's Fair pop-up shop. In celebration of the upcoming 40th anniversary of the 1982 World's Fair, which is next year in 2022, Chris Ford, co-owner of Sweet Peace Barbecue, is selling pieces of his World's Fair memorabilia collection. And a portion of the proceeds from the sale of these items we donated to the Sunsphere Fund, created in 2019 to protect, preserve, and maintain the historic structure that was built as a symbol of the 1982 event, which is the big golden ball that you've probably seen in any pictures of Knoxville. Got some patches, some stickers. Put probably on a car. Little tiny pins. And there's like an actual poster. You can even see it says 1982 up there. So these party tumblers have something on both sides. It's got the World's Fair logo on this side and the Sunsphere on the other. We'll go take a look at the Sunsphere in a little bit. Who remembers this? So Rosie, I found something for you.
Ooh, coffee. Ooh, all the stuff you should know about coffee. You wonder if there's anything in here I don't know.
Probably not. You are the expert, right? You even figured out how to make your own coffee maker at home. Look at this book. That's so 90s. CD players. Was that a latte? Oh, that's 90s. videotape, Jurassic Park specifically. We've got rollerblades. We are, thank you. We've got Will Smith, Tamagotchis, shoes, cell phone, and then Rachel from Friends. And then they've got the latte on there again. I don't get that, or whatever it is. This is cool, just walking around downtown. They have these weird light thingies on the ground, setting concrete. And there's another one up there. So this is that restaurant, Sweet Peas. It's owned by the same guy who owns all of that 1982 World's Fair memorabilia that you can buy at the store. And if you notice up in the corner, it's the same logo as the 1982 World's Fair, the like 4-pointed flame. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get some bacon chocolate chip cookie there, or a bacon chocolate chip cookie. What do you think about that, Rosie?
Sounds good. I just want the bacon.
Yeah, I want the cookie. So I've got the chess pie here. They didn't have the bacon chocolate chip cookies, unfortunately, and I really wanted to try those. I've been wanting to try those since 2011, maybe, when I first heard about them, but oh well. I do like chess pie. You see it all in there. This is a chocolate chess pie, even better. Chess pie is really simple. It's just like butter, sugar, eggs, you know, the basic things that would go into a pie. But this one has chocolate as well. Very good. Since I couldn't have the bacon chocolate chip cookie, this is a good substitute. I give it a seals of approval and 2 thumbs up.
Would you get it again?
Yeah, definitely. It's very good.
Was it really chocolatey?
It is very chocolatey, but not to the point that you wouldn't like it. Like, if you just like chocolate as a casual chocolate, you know, lover, you would like it. But if you're a hardcore chocolate lover, you would still like it. It's just, it's chocolatey, but not too chocolatey.
Do you want me to try a bite? You can switch.
I'm not sure if you can. I'm not sure if the top's gluten-free or not.
Alright, we'll leave it off then.
Okay.
It does sound yummy though.
Yeah. We've got all the theming from the 1982 World's Fair in here. Memorabilia, just like at the other place. That's pretty cool. I don't know if these are like mascots or something. Well, it says this is the World's Fair. And you got some more of that kind of strange art. And the Sunsphere, which we will go there in a second. You'll get to see the real thing, because it is still around almost 40 years later. That's pretty cool. We saw this over at the store. What was this? Apparently they had sports as well. Current is still around here in Knoxville. That looks like a flag. There it looks like it's the 25th anniversary, back in 2007, and I was in college at the time here in Knoxville, but I do not remember that. Oh, and there's a paper from China's exhibition at the World's Fair. Cool Sunsphere picture. It reminds me of something you'd see at Epcot. It's very Epcot-esque, but Epcot's from the 80s too. And there's the logo. They have like robot fights there? That's what I want to know. I love the cool Sunsphere fan, or windmill. Sorry for the noise, I am in the bathroom, but this is cool that they have comics in here. Here's another one. I guess this was a character made up for it. It looks kind of like Dennis the Menace to an extent, but with the Sunsphere. So Rosie, how do you feel knowing that you were going to be born 4 years later when the World's Fair happened? Make you feel old?
Oh, don't go there.
The Sunsphere is 266 feet tall. It had a restaurant during the fair along with an observation deck. The observation deck is still in existence today. It opened back up in 1999, but it closed again and then reopened in 2007.
Great shot of the Sunsphere over there through all the overgrown ivy. Now we gotta walk over there. So now we're here at the location of the former World's Fair. Now it's a park. Really beautiful trees this time of year. Got the golden and I think there's some orange down there. Really nice. The green leaves are trying to hang on, but it is November, so it's about time for these to all be gone, at least here in Tennessee. And this one's still pretty green. And then the one up there is very green. It's like as you walk, you go from late fall to late summer with these trees. I guess there is some yellow in here, but it is still mostly green. So this is World's Fair Park. This is where the actual World's Fair took place, and they've since turned it into a city park. We've got Rosie's favorite over here, birdies. That's a giant mural. And you've got the water fountain over here. The last time we came over here, they had drained all the water. It was during COVID, and I don't know why they had to drain water for that. Speaking of COVID, that's what this mural is all about. It's dedicated to Knox County friends and family members lost to COVID-19 in 2020 and 2021, so... But I still don't understand what water has to do with COVID. There is the Sunsphere, or the giant golden ball, whatever you want to call it. But the proper name is the Sunsphere. And the sun was getting in my eyes too. Usually you're allowed to go into the observation deck on the Sunsphere, but it is temporarily closed for renovations, so not today. But I will show a picture of what the inside looks like, at least pre-renovations.
Here is the observation deck. These pictures are part of the mural inside the Sunsphere. It may be gone following the renovations.
It's so nice that the fountains are back. This place just looked like just a big pit in the ground back, I guess it was in 2020. Heading off on the bridge. And you got waterfall on this side with some rocks. Very beautiful park. Very beautiful. Glad to see the water back. And there we got a Rosie. I think she's taking a selfie over there. She likes her selfies. We actually took a, I guess it's called an ussie when it's two people who are in love. We took a ussie here once back in 2012, I guess, which is also the year we got married. Very beautiful. And there you got the Sunsphere. And then I guess Rosie's trying to get me in the picture here, I'm not sure. And she keeps running away. And this right here is the money shop. There we go. And we're gonna go show you something in the convention center that is very cool and I think maybe connected to the 1982 World's Fair, at least to the 80s. Beautiful convention center here in Knoxville. You got a good view of the Sunsphere too. So yes, I was right. World's largest Rubik's Cube, and it was introduced by Hungary at the 1982 World's Fair. It was invented by the actual Rubik of Rubik's Cube. Here you go. That one doesn't seem like it would take as long to solve as the smaller versions do. But I'm probably wrong. I'm terrible at the smaller versions. There you go. But it was actually designed by Rubik himself. Very cool. So the Rubik's Cube is located in the beautiful convention center. This is one of the nicest convention centers I've seen, and I've been at quite a few. So way to go, Knoxville. And, you know, classic convention center carpet, which I do have a soft spot for. Yeah, so covered the World's Fair stuff, and look, you can even see the Sunsphere through the glass. Yeah, cool Knoxville Convention Center stuff. So next year is the 40th anniversary in 2022.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. Do you wish the World's Fair would come back to North America? The last time it was here was in 1986 in Canada. Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Share this with your friends around the world, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our adventures, and strike the bell icon to be notified of when videos upload. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is in the description. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.